Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of blurry Instagram stories. Blurry stories often result from uploading with a weak or unstable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works better. Or try restarting your router to get a more stable connection. Next, upload in HD. Sometimes, Instagram compresses videos and photos if you're on mobile data. Go to your profile, then Settings, Data Usage, and make sure Upload at highest quality is turned on. This will help your stories upload with less compression. The next step is to update Instagram. Using an outdated version of Instagram can cause blurry uploads due to bugs. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and update Instagram to the latest version to ensure optimal performance. If your original photo or video is low quality, Instagram will compress it further. Always try to use high-resolution images or videos to maintain clarity after uploading. Finally, when you record or take photos directly within Instagram, it optimizes the file for the platform, which can help avoid issues with blurriness that might happen when uploading from your camera roll. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of blurry Instagram stories. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.